Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your country on Amazon using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, go to amazon.com, and then log in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one. And then after that, you want to click on these three little lines at the upper left corner of your screen. And you want to scroll down until you see this help and settings section. So as you can see here, my country is United States. So if you want to change that, just go ahead and click that. So here you want to click on this drop down button or arrow. So here changing, as you can see here, changing the countries / region you shop from may affect factors including price, shipping options, and product availability. So for example, just want to choose Australia. So just go ahead and click Australia. So a new country / region website selection will open in a new tab. So here just go and click go to website, and now you're good to go. You are free to shop now with your, as you can see here, with your change or right country. Okay, and that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.